Homeless Mitch Monster. Mitch Monster went off with a safe, or a safe went out the door. Let's just say a safe went out the door and I know where it went, but I don't know where it is anymore. It's gone from my point of view. Well, that's Mitch not being an excellent Northwestern Mutual Life Insurance Company agent's problem, right? Or that he's went to Northwestern Law School in the 1990s, 1980s, 1990s. Graduation was 1990 something, 1980 something to 1990 something. Well, he's just too far in the wrong to know you. I don't have karma to be here. I don't even want to post this on the internet because he doesn't want me to post things on the internet because he thinks they're disturbing. Well, I'm leaving alive. I have to leave alive on my conditions and terms because I have to live with myself. I have to live with myself in the afterlife as well. I'm preparing for the now and for now on into the future, and after the future and the afterlife, I'm going to be myself after that. Some way, somehow. I may not look like this, but I'll look like myself to myself. So, that is what's wrong with that.